English Reading. Reading Comprehension Quiz. Part 1. Reading today's reading is titled Digital Detox Weekend. Modern life is filled with screens, from work laptops to social media on phones. After months of constant online meetings, David decided to try a digital detox. He turned off his phone, avoided emails, and spent 2 days hiking and reading books. On the first day, he felt restless without notifications, but by the second day, he felt calmer, slept better, and even noticed the sounds of nature more clearly. When he returned to work, David realized how much time he had been wasting online. He felt more focused during meetings and more present with friends. Health experts say that even short breaks from screens can reduce stress and improve sleep quality. A digital detox doesn't require a long vacation. Sometimes just a weekend away from devices can reset both mind and body. Practice English. Part 2. Reading Comprehension. Quiz 1. What did David do during his digital detox? B. Went hiking and read books. 2. How did David feel on the first day? B. Restless without notifications. 3. What change did David notice after 2 days? C. He slept better and felt calmer. 4. What do health experts suggest? C. Short breaks from screens. 5. What is the main purpose of the article? B. To encourage trying short digital detoxes. Replay this video and challenge yourself. Strengthen your reading, listening, and vocabulary skills with each practice. Thank you for your watching.